What's up, guys? We are driving the 2023 Rivian R1S Quad Motor, over 800 horses, over 900 pound-feet of torque. It is white on gray interior. Let's go ahead and get inside and start driving, and then we'll go ahead and do a 0 to 60 run with the dragy to see how fast it goes 0 to 60. Factory, well, Rivian claims 3 seconds 0 to 60, so we'll find out what it actually does today. Alright, so as for settings, we have it on sport right now, and ride height lowest, brake region high, stability is on, and ride feel is stiff. So yeah, we're at the lowest setting, so we're gonna have the most performance, and it'll be a little stiffer, but not bad for an SUV. Let's go ahead and start driving. So this car weighs about 7,000 pounds, but you would never know. Driving it, it feels so light on its feet that just because it's got so much power, so much torque, you tap the gas and it goes, you press the brake, it stops, and it just feels so light on its feet that it's hard to explain unless you go in and drive one. So I definitely recommend for you to go drive one, see how you like it. It definitely feels a lot smaller than it is. Yeah, I would say it's a mid-size SUV. It's not small, it's not big, but just right. But the fact that it's 7,000 pounds and it's so fast, it's so nimble, great on turns, and of course 0 to 60 claimed at 3 seconds and a quarter mile, and I believe around 11.7 seconds. So those tests are usually done, of course, on the racetrack or better prepped roads. So we'll go ahead and see how it does on the street. I do like the gray interior. You can definitely get a black. Black looks good, but I think the gray interior definitely looks better. Brightens up the interior for sure. And then you have this big, huge screen for your entertainment, GPS, music, what have you. So it's nice and big, looks beautiful in person. And then of course you have this screen right in front of you for the speedometer, and also there's a map right there. It also shows the Rivian and other cars in the middle, of course. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the camera a little bit because I think the field of view is not so great right now. So let's go ahead and get going. Yeah, I think that's better. think the other part is that it's got these massive 22-inch rims, and even with those 22-inch rims, it just performs. Yeah, those 22s are nothing. I know it lowers the mileage a little bit. You get a little bit less range with the 22-inch wheels, but they are all-terrain tires versus you can also get the stock rims, or you can get, let's say, off-road tires and rim package. I believe you lose more range with the off-road package, and the 22s just look good. I think the off-road tires and wheels look great as well. If you want to go ahead and do off-roading, then it makes sense, but for the road, I think it's hard to beat the 22s because it fits go ahead and it fills the wheel well so well. Yeah, I mean, the acceleration is so effortless. You just push a little bit on the gas. On the gas, there's no gas here. On the speedometer, yeah, I guess we'll just call it the gas, right? Give it some electricity and it just goes effortlessly. And the fact that it's electric, it's just makes it so much more amazing that it's so quiet, so fast. And I've seen videos of the Rivian R1S go against the Lamborghini Urus, and of course that is a beast. But in the quarter mile, I believe the R1S beat the Urus, but after the quarter mile, the Urus is going to be faster. Urus or Urus, whichever way you like to pronounce that. Just because the top speed on this car, I believe it's like 110 miles an hour. It's not much. But again, it is an SUV, so I don't know if you're going to want to drive an SUV over 110 miles an hour. But the Urus definitely, the Lamborghini Urus will definitely go faster than that. And again, at different price points, so you're talking about over 200,000 for the Urus. And this one, MSRP, the way it's built, is about it's about 100,000 with the options this car has. So we're going to drive a little more, and then we'll find a spot to go ahead and do the 0 to 60 run. In terms of how quiet the inside is, it's really quiet, not just because it's electric, but I think they have a lot of sound deadening. I believe the glass is double glazed, so it's really, really quiet in here. I'm impressed. In terms of range, a fully charged 100%, you can brake about 300 miles, but I think you're going to have to put it in conserve mode just to get the most distance out of it. If you put in sport or any other mode, it's fast and it's using a lot of power, so it's going to be hard getting that 300 mile plus range, but it is definitely possible. Alright, I'm setting up the dragy now. turn right here. And here we go. Let's do a 0 to 60 here. Brakes down, gas all the way, and so 0 to 60 in 3.52 seconds. I don't know if you can see that. So definitely, it's not 3 seconds, but 3.52 seconds is insanely fast, and especially for a 7,000 pound SUV. So yeah, I'd say that's definitely fast. We can do another run right here. All right, let's go ahead and go to a stop, and then hold the brake. Mash the gas, release the brake. All right, so that one, 3.42 seconds. So 3.42 seconds, that is pretty insane. I like it. Guys, so like, subscribe, and turn on that notification for more videos like this. I would love to keep bringing you more videos like this. So yeah, see you at the next one.